Kiambiriria kia muthenya wa muthi uhoro wa kuonekana kwa ngerewe no kumanire na ihinda riria anake acio mekorokaga wira mari anake eri aria mahotire kuingira irima-ini nigetha marute wira uria marutaga o muthenya. No thutha wao wa kuingira umwe wao ni ahotire kwanjiriria kuruta wira wao, no ucio ungi acoka akorwo ni akwamira kuria thiini.
Huko ndani ni kama makevu. Kuna shimo kubwa sana, unaweza ingilia hapa utekeo pande nyingine, na vile hata mnaona watu ndio kubomoke. Hao watu waendi huko juu ya tijio vile wana mapato wana.
I had crossed all these quarries because of course some of them do not meet the standard of a quarry, and I'm saying this in Jedo sub-county that I have immediately closed all the quarries until security audit has been done on them. Anybody who will be found scooping stones or anything like building material will be arrested and taken to court.
Been here for over 5 hours trying to see that the man can be rescued so that at least he can continue with his livelihood. So for me, it's to urge the relevant authority when it comes to well leaves and the road reserves or the area which has been set aside, like this is a well leave or a reserve for the railway line, which is supposed to be 100 meters. That area should be controlled by the relevant authority so that the people are not encouraged to do such activities in such an area.